One of the most expensive habits you can develop as a trader is chasing moves. You know the feeling. A stock starts to rip, social media is blowing up, you see the screenshots of profits, and suddenly, that voice in your head screams that you're missing out. So, you jump in. You buy the breakout, not because the setup is there, but because the train has already left the station. Let's be honest, that isn't trading. That is emotional gambling. The first thing you need to internalize is this: a missed trade is not a lost trade. The market is not a limited time offer. It is a repetitive machine that will provide thousands of setups throughout your career. When you chase, you aren't actually improving your odds, you're just aggressively increasing your risk. Professional traders know that preservation of capital is infinitely more important than being in every single move. Think about why you're actually hitting that buy button late. It's FOMO. It's comparing yourself to others. And it's the dangerous belief that this specific move is your only chance to make money today. But look at the math. When you chase, your risk-to-reward ratio instantly deteriorates. Your stop loss has to be widened because you're entering at an overextended point. And suddenly, you're vulnerable to every minor pullback and profit-taking wave. In reality, when you enter late, you aren't the smart money, you're the liquidity being provided to the people who entered at the correct levels. If the setup is gone, it's gone. Do not adjust your analysis to justify a bad entry. Stop trying to force the market to fit your desires. If you miss the move, you wait for a fresh setup, a healthy pullback, or a new phase of accumulation. Remember, your goal isn't to be everywhere at once. Your goal is to catch high-probability moves with controlled, defined risk. Missed opportunities do not damage your account, impulsive decisions do. Patience is a position, and sometimes, the most profitable trade you will ever make is the one you simply decide not to take. Stay patient. Stay disciplined. Keep your charts clean. Like and subscribe. Script credits the Chart Alchemist.